Hi, it's Miss Peppers. I got suggested by a fan to do the how many times you can sneeze in 5 minutes challenge. So this is some black peppers, Tones black peppers, ground black pepper to be specific. So I don't know what to do, but I'm guessing I'm gonna have to sniff it or something, and maybe I'll sneeze. I don't know. I have a little bit of a cold to begin with, so this might, help me out. So let's see. Maybe I'll just put the lid on it, just so I don't make a big mess on the floor. We wouldn't want that. Alright, let's see. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Oh! Whoa, I made a big mess. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll put a little bit of pepper in this water. Okay, I'm gonna sniff this, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know how to use this. We're gonna start to 5 minutes now. My nose! Hold on! Sorry about that. We'll restart that, okay? So we're gonna restart to 5 minutes. 5 minutes start now! Excuse me. I'm coughing! I'm gonna sniff this shit, I think. My nose feels weird, but I'm not sneezing yet. Oh my god, I'm congested. And I think I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe. One. I'm gonna sniff more. Oh my, wait. Now I'm gonna sniff more. Okay, my nose feels like it's burning right now. I'm not gonna lie. Why won't it come out? Wait. Two. Alright. I guess I'm gonna sniff some more. Maybe I might sneeze more. Okay. Very, very congested. You see this? I'm sniffing. Three. Four. Oh, it's coming out of my nose. Oh my god. Am I allowed to have a tissue? Why? Oh my god, I threw it in my throat. I'm gonna sniff more. Wait, no. 6. 7. Am I good? I'm gonna sneeze more, or do I sniff more? Can't tell. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna sniff some more. It's burning! I'm crying! I'm crying in the front! It's burning! What is happening? It's coming out! Okay. To my mouth! Where do I put this? Oh, snot's in my mouth. Oh, look, it's everywhere. I don't know what to do with it. I'm just gonna wipe up my leg. Oh, I'm gonna stuff more in my mouth. It's been 3.5 minutes now, and I am suffering. Got another 2.5 minutes to go, I think. I don't know. Alright, well, I'm gonna sniff more. Oh, I feel in my head. Oh, I'm crying. Oh my god. Am I gonna sneeze? Wait. I seriously can't tell if I can sneeze. It's like burning in my nose. We got another minute left. We got another minute. Come on, let me sneeze. Oh, it's everywhere. I'm suffering. It's burning. Even the tears are burning out of my eyes. I'm gonna sniff more. I am very. Okay. So I'm done with the 5-minute how many times you can sneeze challenge. I'm not gonna lie, I've lost count on how many times I've sneezed because my mind is more focused on my nose and my eyes burning from all the peppers. I hope you enjoyed me suffering with this peppers because I'm doing this for my fans. Anyway, you gotta like, you gotta comment below, and you gotta subscribe. Well, thank you for watching me do the challenge. Bye. I'm dying. Oh my god, I need to spit.